If you're a culinary enthusiast looking to elevate your cooking game, the Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor is the ultimate kitchen companion you've been dreaming of. Powered by a robust 450-watt motor and equipped with a 2-speed pulse dial, this food processor provides exceptional processing control, making it a must-have for every home cook. Versatility at its finest, 4 attachments for every need. The Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor comes with 4 versatile attachments, ensuring you can tackle every culinary challenge. Craft veggie noodles and ribbons with the spiral and ribbon blades. The stainless steel S-blade effortlessly chops, mixes, and purees. Additionally, the reversible stainless steel disc slices and shreds with ease, giving you endless possibilities in the kitchen. Time-saving 2.5 inches feed chute. Oh, more pre-cutting. Bid farewell to tedious pre-cutting. The 2.5 inches feed chute accommodates whole foods like zucchinis or even a block of cheese. Save time and energy with each food processing session, and let the Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor handle the hard work. Powerful motor, conquer tough ingredients. With a powerful 450-watt motor, this food processor is designed to conquer even the toughest of ingredients. Whether you're spiralizing delicate veggies or pureeing dense fruits, the Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor ensures smooth and efficient processing every time. The 2-speed pulse dial allows you to control the processing speed, giving you the flexibility to achieve your desired results. Generous 10-cup bowl with pour spout, no interruptions. The Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor boasts a large 10-cup bowl, allowing you to process sizable quantities of food without interruptions. And with the convenient pour spout, transferring dressings, sauces, and purees into serving or storage containers becomes a breeze, free from any mess. Effortless cleanup. Your kitchen helper, we know you value convenience, and that's why we've made cleanup a breeze. All removable parts, including the cleaning brush, are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup after your culinary adventures. Additionally, all food zones are BPA-free, guaranteeing peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Embrace creativity in the kitchen with the Hamilton Beach Spiralizing Food Processor. Transform ordinary ingredients into extraordinary culinary masterpieces effortlessly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, this food processor is your gateway to a world of possibilities.